Hi guys, if you want to open a snipping tool with print a screen key in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, go to Windows search and type a snipping tool. Here it is. Simply open it. And now on the snipping tool, click on this three dot icon and then go to settings. And now on the snipping tool settings window, scroll down and under the shortcut section, you will see this option. Use the print a screen key to open a snipping tool. Here simply click on change in Windows settings option. And now on the keyboard settings page, simply scroll down. And from the on screen keyboard, access keys and print a screen section, you have to simply turn on this option. Use the print a screen key to open a screen capture. So simply turn it on. And once you turn on this option, from now on, whenever you press the print screen key on your keyboard, it will launch the snipping tool and allow you to select and capture a screenshots. So let's check it. Simply close the settings window. And now press the print screen key on your keyboard. And you can see the snipping tool is opening as you press the print screen key. Now using the snipping tool, you can capture different type of screenshots. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily open a snipping tool with print screen key in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.